So, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is the Moto Nerd. I'm recording after almost 2 weeks, I guess now. Yeah, I had a lot going on, and the rains were back in Mumbai. Yeah, this year has been like all full year rainy season for us. I don't know when it's going to stop. It's still cloudy out here, and this is now November. Yeah, November 3rd, I guess. Yeah, today's November 3rd. Yeah, climate change is real, guys. And I'm in Marul right now, and there's some traffic today, more than we usually have. These potholes, man. I don't know what we are going to do about the roads. I heard that there's one patch of road in DN Nagar Andheri West that just collapsed. There was work going on for like a year over there, and then suddenly, few months after the roads are complete, the road collapses. Like, I mean, करना क्या चाहते हो भाई? Like, what are you actually trying to build? What was there within it that caused this? And that was just below the metro that goes from Andheri to like Ghatkopar. I don't know how dangerous it is for the foundation as well over there. क्या करेगा पता नहीं. After these monsoons, I have some form of anxiety. I would call it pothole anxiety. Whenever I see potholes or like bad stretches of road, I'm a little worried because my scooter starts going here and there nowadays. I don't know if it's something that I need to check at the service station or if it's genuinely a road issue, not a scooter issue. And I've seen some really up potholes this year. इधर क्या हो गया? Can I go ahead? Oh, sorry. Oh shit, I nicked the rear view mirror of that car. Unusually high traffic today. My scooter has been behaving a little weird lately. I don't know if there are other NTOC riders who are watching this video. Like, I mean, feels like the engine is under a lot of load now. I'm not sure if it was because of the water going into the tank issue. I'll be getting a service done this week. I was planning to go yesterday, but it was raining cats and dogs in the morning, so I didn't go. Yeah, the NTOC doesn't feel planted now. I don't know. The first empty stretch of today. And it's getting cold. I just hope it doesn't rain, man. People are so impatient, man. The signal is not even out, and like we are always halfway across. These black clouds are really scary. Oh no, सिग्नल नहीं है पर फिर भी हॉर्न मारना है. Why are people riding on the wrong side, man? They don't understand. That too at such speeds that, I mean, it's very dangerous. And there's so much traffic, and it's just 10:17 in the morning today. Damn. There's rarely any traffic on the other side in the morning time, but I see it today. I always love the stretch because like it's usually emptier than. Oh my god, there's so much traffic. ऐसा क्या हो गया है भाई? Where is everyone going? The first time I've seen so much traffic on that lane. भाई यहाँ तो काफ़ी ट्रैफिक है. That guy is saddling in Mumbai road. That tells you how bad the roads are. हॉर्न मार के रास्ता बनाओ. That is the Indian way of riding on road. And giving a horn to let them know that you're passing by is one thing, and like honking till they make space for you is another. बहुत entitlement है भाई हम लोग में. मुंबई metro. What is going on? There's so much digging going on everywhere in Mumbai. ऐसा क्या हो गया भाई? अभी तो मेट्रो बनाया था. बारिश ख़त्म होते ही खुदाई चालू. This is one advantage of two-wheelers in Mumbai traffic. You have some path available to you to pass by all the traffic, all the cars that are there on the road. I don't know what kind of hellish battle all these four-wheelers have to do while reaching wherever they want to be. People usually say that you have to look over the horizon at the like farthest point when you're riding, but in Mumbai you have to look down as well. And like cut-to-cut traffic that we have here. I need to get a good helmet someday. The visor of this one doesn't close properly, and अरे यार मैं off-road क्यों कर रहा? Almost at the office. I did not have much to talk about. I'm recording after a very long time as well. This might be a very short video, or maybe I'll combine the videos that are coming up, like that are coming up in the sense the ones that I will record while going home. Maybe I'll record that as well, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay. The traffic policewoman herself is asking folks to go on the wrong side, which is, I guess, a little dangerous when you see that there are vehicles coming in. Yeah, what is it? People writing their names or names of others on their auto rickshaws. I've never asked or understood the reason behind it. On BMC duty, Piyush and Amit just talking about names on auto rickshaws. Okay, I'm back and the audio is connected now. I forgot to check it before I left. Here I'm on my way back home from the office. Oh, it's like fully packed motorcycle. Upper panniers, top box. Watching the sun out is really feels good. I used to go by the side road, the service road that you see here, but there are some really weird patches where the road just like you have cliffs over there. I mean, your scooter or bike will just go down. Oh, the same bike that we saw earlier. So riding very calmly. Very rarely you'll get to see such riders. क्या मस्त चिल मार रहा है भाई. ESD makes some really good looking bikes, but they have their own issues with service and all the other things if you face any issues. अरे यार